Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to delete a page on Facebook. Open your Facebook app. First tap on this icon and you can see right here your pages. So click this pages button and now you can see your all pages in here. Choose page and click on the name of the page you want to delete. So now you can see switch icon like this. Then tap on here. After switching and you can see this way. Then you click these three lines in top right corner. Now you scroll down and you can see the settings and privacy in here. So tap on it. After you tap that, you can see settings button like this. And you need to tap on this again. Then you can see search bar in the top. Here you need to type delete. So now you can find this and tap on here. Now you need to tick mark on this delete page and click continue and again click continue button. Now scroll down and tap on continue button again. So here you need to enter your Facebook password and click on this continue button. Your page can be deleted permanently after you do that. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.